Hey guys, my name is Andrew from ecomexperts.io and welcome to another Shopify app review video. So thanks first of all for all your support from last week for the Popup App Review. Really loved it, got some great comments out of it, some great feedback. And this week we were looking at smile.io, so the behind the scenes, so you don't have to install it without really knowing what's going to happen. Smile.io is one of the world's largest reward program providers. They have I think it was something like 50 million participants. They're really huge, and having a reward program, we saw this with a couple of our clients, can really change your overall business. It can change your average order value, it can change your customer lifetime value, so it really has some positive impacts. So let's not waste too much of your time and let's dive just right in. Just one last thing, if you like it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Basically tell Google that this is good content that you like, so you really help us reaching more people. So thanks for that, and let's just dive straight into smile.io and how it looks and how it feels. Cheers. So as soon as you add and install the smile.io app to your Shopify or Shopify Plus account, the app will automatically take you to the main dashboard where you're greeted with this star guide. And here you can convert customers to members, customize display, review program recommendations, select a plan, and launch your program. On the top right corner of the start guide, you can see the steps you went through. So overall, nice and clean design. On the menu to the left, we are presented with this simple navigation: home, customers, display, notification, analytics, integrations, and finally, of course, the rewards programs. So let's start making our own reward program. Let's click on the home button here and then enable customer accounts. When you enable customer accounts, Shopify stores password protected information about customers' identity, order history, and current order status. After we enable the customer accounts, it is time to start customizing the rewards panel. So here you can play with different elements such as colors, shapes, and wallpapers until you're happy with the design, basically. We're just going to stick with the existing one just for the sake of time. And this is interesting. Smile lets you choose different positions and spacing for both desktop and mobile. This really has an added value in our opinion. We will leave it like this again for now, but just know that this is a possibility. Next, we have visibility. We will keep it at this as well. And then banner image and smile branding, those are available on paid plans, so we're just going to skip that as well. Let's jump into the panel in the left menu. Here we can customize the panel's different headers for both visitors and members. So if you are a paid member, you can make your own design of account creation, referrals, and points tabs. Next, we have the launcher. We will leave it as icon with text. Nudges are available on a paid plan too. We don't need it now, but they are great way of increasing member engagement if you can do it. So smile.io lets you notify your customers about the points earned via email automatically, which frankly is a great option. Analytic Tabs gives you the insight about the program members, points transactions, and referral purchases. Not much, but it is pretty okay. And if you're a paid member, again, you can integrate your favorite marketing tools with smile.io. So being a paid member does have its advantages. When we click on the points in the left menu in the dashboard, we can edit earning and spending rules and see the latest points activity. In the earnings and spending tabs, you can add or edit rules. Actually, there's no limit on how far you can go with these rules, even on the free plan, and that's pretty good. We love the referral marketing. Smile.io referral program lets you customize rewards and sharing options. If that's something you need or you want to have on your side, then there's tons of possibilities you can do, even on the free plan. And so we think that overall this is a great app, which probably explains why it's so popular. It works very well with both Shopify and Shopify Plus. The out-of-the-box functionalities are enough to create a very good and engaging referral and loyalty program. And you can customize lots of features, frankly, even on the free plan. One thing we didn't like is no API unless you are on the enterprise version, which is a problem if you want to set up advanced configuration, but okay, it's fair. Customer support is available on web chat, typically responding during weekdays only, so alright, but based on your needs, you can choose to stay on the free plan or you can try the starter, growth, pro, or enterprise plan. Alright, that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you have any questions, feel free to pin them in the comment below. We'll answer you, obviously, or just visit our website, ecomexperts.io. Send us an email if you have any Shopify questions or Shopify tasks that you need done. Have an amazing day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to look out for our next video about app reviews so you don't have to install apps and figure it out all yourself. We're here for that. Cheers, and thanks a lot for your support.